Right now, on the secluded island of Hawaii, Mark Zuckerberg is building something massive. A 1,400-acre compound hidden behind 6-foot walls. Construction workers are forced to sign strict NDAs. If they talk, they are fired instantly. But leaked plans reveal something terrifying. A 5,000-square-foot underground bunker, blast-proof doors, own energy supply. And he isn't the only one. From Elon Musk's obsession with Mars as a backup drive for humanity, to Peter Thiel's fortress in New Zealand, the world's richest people are mobilizing. In an era of political polarization, with Donald Trump back in the White House and global tensions at a boiling point, the elite seem to know something we don't. Are they preparing for a civil war, a nuclear winter, or a total collapse of the grid? They are building the modern Noah's Arks. But instead of wood, they are using reinforced concrete and high-tech engineering. Let's open the blast doors. Survival starts with physics. If a nuclear warhead detonates 10 miles away, the heat won't kill you. The shockwave will. It hits with thousands of pounds of pressure per square inch, PSI. Standard concrete would shatter like glass. That's why these bunkers use high-performance concrete, reinforced with steel rebar thick enough to stop a tank. But the physical threat isn't the only danger. We live in a digital age. A nuclear blast creates an EMP, an electromagnetic pulse that fries every circuit, chip, and computer within hundreds of miles. If your bunker is high-tech, an EMP turns it into a dark, suffocating tomb. To solve this, engineers wrap the entire structure in a Faraday cage, a conductive mesh of copper or aluminum that absorbs the electronic shockwave, keeping the life support systems inside safe. It's not just a basement, it is a submarine buried in the earth. You have survived the blast, but can you breathe? The air outside is now radioactive fallout, or worse, filled with a weaponized biological virus. You cannot just open a window. Billionaire bunkers utilize military-grade NBC filtration systems. Nuclear, biological, chemical. These aren't your standard HEPA filters. They use overpressure. By keeping the air pressure inside the bunker slightly higher than the outside, physics guarantees that air always flows out, never in. Even if there is a crack in the wall, the poisonous air cannot enter against the pressure. It is the same technology used in hospital isolation wards and tanks. But filtering air is easy. Generating power forever? That is the real engineering nightmare. The grid is down. No gas stations, no power plants. Solar panels on the surface are vulnerable. They can be destroyed by debris or blocked by nuclear ash clouds blocking the sun. So, how does a billionaire power a subterranean city for 10 years? Elon Musk's battery technology is just the start. The real solution lies deeper. Geothermal energy. By drilling thousands of feet down, they tap into the Earth's own heat to spin turbines. It is limitless, silent, and invisible from the surface. Some rumors even suggest the use of micronuclear reactors. Technology once reserved for submarines, now possibly for sale to the highest bidder. With this, a bunker becomes a perpetual motion machine. But engineers face a problem that concrete and copper cannot fix: the human mind. Lock a human underground for 5 years, and they don't just get bored, they go insane. Without the sun, our circadian rhythms collapse. Depression and psychosis set in. To fight this, architects of the apocalypse are designing virtual reality environments. Walls are replaced with 8K LED screens, streaming live views of a pre-recorded world. Forests, beaches, cities that no longer exist. The lights mimic the sun, changing color temperature from warm morning light to blue midday light, tricking the brain into thinking time is passing normally. Zuckerberg's compound reportedly includes a gym, a pool, and a sauna. Not for luxury, for sanity. Because in the apocalypse, the biggest threat isn't the radiation outside. It's the people locked inside with you. This brings us to the final, darkest question. When society collapses, money becomes worthless. The private security guards you hired, why would they protect you when they could just take the bunker for themselves? This is the guard paradox. The solution is automation, automated turrets, drone surveillance, biometric locks that only open to the owner's specific DNA or retina. We are seeing the rise of smart fortresses that don't need human loyalty to defend them. It sounds like science fiction, but the technology already exists on the battlefield. So why are they building them now? Is it just paranoia? Or is it the ultimate status symbol? Maybe they know something about the fragility of our system that we ignore, whether it's political unrest, climate change, or war. The elite are hedging their bets. The engineering is undeniably brilliant, but it leaves us with a chilling thought. They are building lifeboats, but there aren't enough seats for everyone. What do you think? Are they crazy, or are they the only ones prepared? If you want to understand the hidden mechanisms of our world, hit subscribe. This is Logic Layer. Prepare yourself.